The TOUGHBUILT StackTech mobile organization system stands out as a versatile and durable toolbox solution for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Its modular design allows users to create a custom toolbox setup by interlocking different components. Crafted from tough, impact-resistant materials, the system ensures durability in various job site conditions. Its mobility feature enables components to be stacked, clipped, and rolled together, forming a convenient mobile workstation. The system's emphasis on organization, with numerous compartments and organizers, contributes to quick and easy tool retrieval. With different sizes and capacities available, the StackTech system offers a tailored solution to diverse needs. Its high-density polyethylene, HDPE construction, metal latches, and hinges ensure longevity and weather resistance. The inclusion of removable tool trays, drill holsters, and tape measure clips adds to its functionality. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this system enhances efficiency, productivity, and tool protection on the job. The Olight Arkflex adjustable right-angle flashlight stands out as a versatile and potent tool with its 1000 lumens output, offering 5 brightness levels and a strobe mode for diverse lighting applications. Its unique 90-degree adjustable head allows it to function as a headlamp, right-angle light, or traditional handheld light, featuring a magnetic aspect for hands-free attachment to metal surfaces. The device is powered by a rechargeable 1050 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing a run time of up to 5 hours at the lowest brightness and 1.5 hours at the highest. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and robust aluminum alloy construction, it excels in durability, although it may be relatively expensive and lacks optimal ergonomic comfort. Stiletto TIBONE titanium framing hammers stand out for their exceptional durability, strength, and fatigue-reducing features. Crafted from a special titanium alloy, these hammers are both lightweight and robust. The patented shock-absorbing handle minimizes vibrations, preventing arm fatigue and discomfort during use. The lightweight design not only contributes to reduced arm fatigue, but also allows for increased swing speed, enhancing efficiency. Titanium's inherent strength makes these hammers durable and versatile, suitable for various tasks such as framing, demolition, and roofing. While the Stiletto TIBONE titanium framing hammers come at a higher cost compared to steel hammers, their superior performance and reduced physical strain make them a worthwhile investment. Several models, including the powerful TIBONE 3, compact TIBONE Mini, and precision-focused TrimBone, cater to different needs and preferences. The Makita UP100D is a cordless pruning shear designed for effortless cutting of branches up to 25 mm in diameter. Powered by a 12 volts max CXT Li-ion battery, it offers freedom of movement with a long run time. The shear features an electronic blade opening angle and overlap adjustment, along with a trigger interlocked with blade control for ease of operation. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, and a built-in LED light enhances visibility in low-light conditions. The package includes a holster for convenient storage. While the Makita UP100D is a powerful and versatile option, its higher price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. When choosing a pruning shear, factors such as cutting capacity, preferred battery type, desired features, and budget should be taken into account. The Makita 80 volts Max XGT 10-gallon HEPA vacuum, wet and dry with AWS, GCV07, is a high-powered cordless vacuum designed for both wet and dry cleanup. With a Makita-built brushless motor, it delivers exceptional suction power, 2x more than 18 VLXT vacuums. The efficient 3-stage HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of particulates, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks. Engineered with extreme protection technology, XPT, It ensures improved dust and water resistance for reliable operation on job sites. The 10-gallon poly tank is easy to empty and clean, and features like variable speed control, a self-cleaning filter system, and an LED light enhance user convenience. This vacuum is an excellent choice for professionals and DIers seeking a robust and versatile cleaning solution. The Woodpeckers Universal Cross Dowel Jig 3076 is a versatile woodworking tool designed for creating strong and accurate cross-dowel joints. Its universal design accommodates all cross-dowel sizes on the market, offering flexibility in woodworking projects. The jig allows adjustable positioning of the cross-dowel, 7/8 inches to 278 from the board's end, and the bolt hole center, 3/4 inches to 134 thick stock. Featuring stainless steel guide bushings for durability and accuracy, the jig also includes laser-cut indicators for precise positioning. Additionally, Woodpeckers offers bright-finished stainless steel cross-dowels to enhance the aesthetics of your projects. Suitable for woodworkers of all skill levels, the Woodpeckers Universal Cross-Dowel Jig is a valuable addition for creating robust joints. Before purchasing, checking reviews and watching tutorials can provide insights into its usage and performance. The Ryobi 18 volts 1+ dual-function digital inflator is a versatile tool suitable for various applications, including tire and sports ball inflation, as well as air mattress and pool toy inflation-deflation, with high-pressure inflation of up to 160 psi and high-volume inflation of up to 16 SCFM. It ensures quick and efficient performance. Features like auto shutoff and a quick connect air chuck enhance ease of use for tire filling. The digital pressure gauge provides accurate readings, and a bright LED work light ensures visibility in any environment. The inflator is portable with an integrated carry handle and onboard accessory storage. As part of the Ryobi 1+ system, it is compatible with any 18 volts 1+ battery. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the package includes the inflator, an 18 volts 1+2 lithium battery, an 18 volts 1+ charger, sports needle, Presta valve adapter, pinch valve adapter, and operator's manual. The Makita LXT high pressure washer is a versatile and portable cleaning solution, running on two 18 volts Li-ion batteries for cordless operation. With an impressive pressure output of up to 8 megapascals, it competes with AC-powered models. The inclusion of a 50-liter water tank and self-priming function ensures usability in various locations without direct access to power or water sources. The stepless pressure adjustment knob allows customization for different tasks, and the package includes a Variospray lance and detergent bottle for comprehensive cleaning. While its cordless nature provides mobility, users should note the requirement for separate 18 volts Li-ion batteries and potential weight when filled with water. Overall, it's a powerful and convenient choice for tasks like car, boat, deck, and patio cleaning. The Makita DTW 700 LXT is a robust cordless impact wrench designed for demanding tasks, boasting a brushless motor that provides an impressive torque of up to 700 nanometers. Its 4-stage power selection ensures precise control for various applications. The inclusion of an LED job light enhances visibility in the work area, and its XPT, Extreme Protection Technology, feature improves resistance against dust and water, ideal for tasks like lug nut removal, driving lag bolts, and loosening rusted fasteners. The DTW 700 is both compact and lightweight, facilitating easy handling and transport. With a 1/2 inches square drive, variable speed trigger, forward and reverse rotation, and an electric brake, it offers versatility and convenience for users. Thank you for watching this video on TOUGHBUILT tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.